Hey guys, how's it going? This is Rob Miller. Today I will be showing you how to maintenance your Zippo lighter. You are going to need a Zippo, of course, a can of lighter fluid, some flints, and a screwdriver. Pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy going on here, so let's get into it. So here's my Zippo. I'm using a matte blue. I bought it off Amazon for a fairly low price. As you can see, it is not working at the moment. Not a big deal. I'm also using Zippo Premium Lighter Fluid, also bought off Amazon for a very low price. And here we have flints. I'm running low, probably going to have to use Amazon to get some new ones for a fairly low price. I also have just a basic flathead screwdriver. Gotta be flathead, doesn't need to be a screwdriver, it just needs to be able to fit and be able to function properly. You'll see what I'm talking about in the near future. So as you can see, the lighter does not work. It does spark, so the flint is actually working, but we are out of fluid. So the first thing you're going to do is pop open the top, use this flap right here, put this up, and it'll slide right out. So here we have a steel or some sort of metal case. This is where you're going to use your screwdriver. And if you can see, there's a little hole in the middle. You're going to get in there and pry this cotton they used. You may need to use something smaller depending on the size of your screwdriver. Anything works, a pin, a bobby pin, or whatever you like. And you're just going to lift it open like this, just so you can see what's on the inside. And you're going to use that same tool to get your lighter fluid open. Just need to get this up. And you're just going to put it right in there. And the key is to not overfill it. If you overfill, you will run into a few problems that could be potentially dangerous. So we're going to give it a nice amount. Make sure it's not too much, but not too little. That should be just good. If you start to feel the fluid coming through the other end, you've gone too far. Next, we're going to take this metal, looks to be copper, and we're going to twist it open using the screwdriver. You got to be careful because it is spring loaded. And then this is going to come out. Say if my flint was broken, we would just go into our flints, take one out, and all you got to do is drop the flint, it's really small, into that hole. And it should slide all the way down, and then just replace the spring. The flint is what provides the spark to ignite the fluid. Very important. A lot of people just give up on their Zippos after their flints break. Put it back in the right way. Close this thing. And you have a working Zippo. Thank you.